Fine, let us start working on the problems based on simple equation. This is the problem number 6, right? Let us check out here. Right, if x plus y is equal to 5, y plus z is equal to 7 and z plus x is equal to 12, what is the value of x plus y plus z? So we need to find the sum of x, y, z. Right, what they have given? They have given x plus y is equal to 5. Let me consider this as equation 1. So y plus z is equal to 7. So is equation 2, and z plus x is equal to 12. This is equation 3. Right. So what you can do, what we are supposed to do now, we are supposed to find the sum of x plus, that is x, y, z. Right. To do that, first of all, you can solve equation 1 and 2 or 1 and 3 or 2 and 3 and then get the value of x, y, z and substitute here to get the answer. Otherwise, by observing the equation, the first, second, third, just add, right? You can add equation 1, 2 and as well as 3. Right, what happens here? See, observe x plus y, c plus, so y plus z plus x is equal to, so 5 plus 7 plus 12. So which means 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 12, 24 we got. Now observe here, there are 2 y's, 2x and 2z, which is nothing but 2x plus 2y plus 2z, which means, see, you can take a common here, that is 2 as a common factor, so x plus y plus z, which gives us 24, or x plus y plus z is equal to 24 by 2, which is going to give us 12. Option A is the right one. Or otherwise, what you can do here is, you can take equation 1 and 2, right? X plus y is equal to 5, and then right here I'll rearrange this. So z plus y is equal to 7. Just subtract here. If you subtract, so x minus z you are going to get, right? X minus z, y will be cancelled. You are going to get, so 5 minus 7, that is going to be minus 2. Right, this I'll consider it as equation 4. Now solve equation 3 and 4. So that is x minus z is equal to minus 2. Right, so this I'll take now. X plus z is equal to 12. Right, this is what the equation number 3. Solve 4 and 3. See what happens, just add it here. 2x, so z will be cancelled, is equal to 12 minus 2 plus 12, which is going to give us 10, or x is equal to how much? 10 by 2, which is going to give us 5. By using this 5, that is value of x, now you can just check out here. So we know that x plus z is equal to 12. X, we know that is 5, right? Z is equal to 12 minus 5, which is going to give us 7. So x is 5, z is 7. Now let us go with the first equation, that is x plus y is equal to 5. X is 5, so y is equal to 5 minus 5, which is going to give us 0. Right, what happens here? Y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0. Substitute the value of x, y, z to this, so you are going to get 12 only. Right, option A is the right one.